All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, guys? This is just going to be a quick update on Hbar because not much has happened. So we actually failed to break out of the ascending triangle over here, which could be seen as a double bottom pattern. One bottom neckline, second bottom breakout. Failed to break out. The target itself, although a little bit above this trend line over here at 5736, I would take the trade to there. If it were to break out, we can see that it failed to, came back down to the ascending triangle support. So we need to actually see a breakout to the upside, otherwise we will get continuation lower. You could say that this has now become an M pattern if you lose this neckline over here. If you want me to teach you how to recognize these patterns and the candlesticks, as well as some strategies that are already in place with moving averages and Fibonacci's, then all you need can be found in the pinned comment section and description down below. Just head over to my link tree, you'll find the links there, and click the Twitter link so you can private message me. If you see we're almost at 2,000 followers, it would be appreciated if you can actually give me a follow over there. This is where you can private message me about the course, the mentorship, or join as a member in the Discord community. And you can actually already click these links through the link tree over here, course and mentorship or membership levels. More information can be found out on my Twitter. So coming back to Hbar over here, we're pretty much ranging between there are also horizontal supports, so there's an area over here, so this is a support, and we've got resistance over here as well. So we're just range bound between these two, and we're just simply waiting for a breakout. Because we have this ascending support that is being respected, we are potentially in this ascending triangle formation. But the unfortunate thing is you're below the neckline over here of this massive descending triangle, so you're trapped between these key support and resistance, and you're just ranging between the two, waiting for a breakout. You could we also saw this head and shoulders over here, and previously when we were using moving averages in this area, when we were ranging, we were expecting this to be just tested as resistance. Even if we broke out higher, we've got key areas, previous lower highs over here. So the expectation is even if it breaks out, it would be a fake out and continuation lower. And we took this trade on the channel over here completely for free for you guys, where we took profits at this level over here. So now we're pretty much ranging after our target's been met with a bullish pattern. But although underneath this neckline, the expectation is to return back down to the 1 Fibonacci, unless Bitcoin decides to get moving to the upside. So if Bitcoin were to get moving to the upside and we actually break out of this ascending triangle, back test its support, head back to this target, as it's the target, I'd expect a retracement. And then if we can actually break through again, incredible. We'd need to see it flipped in support. This will only be the case if Bitcoin were to get pumping. So please keep up to date with my Bitcoin updates absolutely every single day. Share them as well, because unfortunately, guys, and I understand it as well, no one follows Bitcoin because I know that they're personally not invested in it. They're only invested in altcoins. So they're like thinking, why should I even look at Bitcoin? I'm just in altcoins. What's the point? I don't have any Bitcoin. But the truth is, guys, everything just follows Bitcoin. And let's say your altcoin just randomly starts pumping and then Bitcoin just starts to dump, well, we'd expect your altcoin to start dumping, even though it was initially pumping without Bitcoin, and you believe that it's leading or whatever. But the thing is, with Bitcoin, let's say that it's not making higher, let's say it's in an uptrend, but it's not making higher highs. Let's say it's just making higher lows. So because that's technically bullish structure, higher lows, then your altcoin could actually be making higher highs and higher lows, like your altcoin. And then you might think that, oh, your altcoin's leading, it's leading, but it's only looks like it's leading because Bitcoin is technically bullish. Not that it's making higher highs, but as long as it's maintaining the higher lows. This is something that I noticed on XRP a lot in the previous bull market. I know this is a Hbar video, but it's just like to help you out with this scenario as well. So over here we've got the low and the lower low over here. So that would just suggest at the moment, because we are in this downtrend, the expectation is any pump is a bull trap. The moving averages would suggest this as well. The target itself, I would personally just take it to in and around this line to the 55 if you were to take this trade. There you go. Sorry, what was actually placed a little bit wrong. So now I've placed it exactly on that neckline, and it's saying this is the target. So I'll be taking it pretty much to the 55. And yeah, you could try your stop loss to try and get it to hit this, but there's no guarantee, because the 55 on the daily time frame is what's standing in the way. Because in actual fact, guys, while you are beneath the 200 EMA over here, which is this previous high point, which we said was a fake out initially back there as well, this is the key resistance. This is deciding the trend. So while beneath the 200, we're expecting continuation lower pretty much. So other than that, at the moment, if Bitcoin is not, while we break out, if we were to break out over here, again, this is a downtrend, so this might not even break out at all. That's why we've seen already a failure over here. So we're just waiting. Will Bitcoin dump? Check out my Bitcoin update, because there's a lot to talk about over there. If Bitcoin does dump, then we're going to see Hbar continuing, trying to retrace back down to the 1 fib level, which is where this pump up, of course, began at the beginning of the year. Otherwise, if Bitcoin can now actually get going, break out of the falling wedge that it's within, and then we see Hbar breaking to the upside. If Bitcoin were to continue break the highs 31, 32, 33k, then I expect Hbar to just easily reclaim this, maybe a test of this, come back down, hold this as support, something like this. It won't be as easy as this. We won't move up like that. I'm just saying, if it were to get back above this level, then it should come up into here. And then when you get up into here, you should reject it, and you need to hold this level. Not that you have to come all the way back down to it, because there's other moving averages, guys. You could just bounce off of those. So I will be here to update you, no worries. But at the moment, while we are beneath, I think it's this 5736 area, then the expectation is, even if we come up into there, should eventually continue lower again. But it's all dependent on Bitcoin. Although these are the signs that it's currently showing, Bitcoin can change everything, guys. So stay up to date. You know, if something changes, I'll let you guys know, but please stay tuned to the Bitcoin updates. I'll link it right now. Please like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to take action on the course, the mentorship, or become a member in the Discord community, then message me over here. There's a Linktree link on my Twitter, as well as down in the description and pinned comment section below. Click these two links over here to take action. Otherwise, message me for more details over here, because I actually include the course with the mentorship and give 3 months for free in my Discord community if you take action on the mentorship, which I have a few slots available at the moment. Thank you, guys.